Morning traders, Nick Messenger, your market T-Lose here to bring a daily market buys video for Friday, July 17th. It's approximately 5:25 a.m. in the East Coast. We really take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded pretty much mixed, if you will, with about half the exchanges trading higher, the other half trading lower. Currently, right now in Europe, and this current ongoing, Europe is open trading. Europe is pretty much trading to the downside, with the exception of the German DAX, which is only fractionally higher at this particular point. Time will tell how it all works out, but apparently it appears to be that the entire European markets are trading to the downside. Now, if we were to take a look at the market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollars trading lower, bonds, however, trading higher. The S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a higher open at this particular point. Gold is trading higher. However, crude oil is trading lower. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we really don't have that much. I mean, we had a lot more yesterday, obviously. Yesterday was the tsunami of news reports, if you will. However, at 8:30 a.m. we have building permits. Also at 8:30, housing starts. These are major. These are proven market movers. And then at 10 a.m. we have preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. These are also considered to be major improving market movers. There's always greater weight associated with preliminary numbers as opposed to revised. Hence, these are considered to be major, if you will. All this being said, our bias is neutral. And the reason why we're suggesting a neutral bias, we're not really seeing very much in the way of true correlation, if you will. We have the U.S. dollar trading lower, and obviously that's positive. However, up until a couple of minutes ago, the bonds themselves were trading in positive territory. They're now flip-flopping between positive and negative territory, but these moves are not definitive at this particular point, so it's not as though there's true commitment on the part of the markets or indices. Yes, currently the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average are pointing higher. However, these are not very high numbers. Additionally, the crude oil inventories or crude oil is pointing lower. Again, it's kind of a mixed bag. It really is. Gold is trading higher. So it's really kind of a mixed bag in terms of direction, if you will. Hence our bias is neutral, which means the markets could go in any direction today. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.